Right, Mpara IRIA ndiye dirite na mbere kone kandi guru ya Kenya neringithite anto nkurukia milioni nyaga tanta badatu na nyumo cha kitaka milioni lega tanta ithano county ya Meru na Tharaka Nithi ni mocha county irero meri ni Mpara kire county mirongo ile na ile ile chionekete ndi kunyeleka nkuruki thirikari na yondi kugeria gukabanira na thine una njira mwanya burane ndi kwire kire tairi biotedio na kinyaruwe kibarabanyelekete moniketande to Bonfils Ngera na Utoni Nkuruki.
Na kweno batu bwero bya mpwe kirenteresha MERU kuretero telo isiolo na nteresha kaunti Tharaka Nithi irashankere na kaunti Kitui. Kolinga nawe Minister ngwatano East Africa na ntezo shendo anda sal Bi Rebecca Miano na te kaunti MERU kaunti Tharaka Nithi kaunti Embu ni mwa kaunti 13 waja ntheo gorone irambura uthime kethro itingana anto baba ingia mwandethia Pedro AKENYA Mpara mono.
The number of people recorded currently to be affected or are food insecure in Kenya are 4.35 million. The number of children affected by malnutrition is about 960,000.
Te Mpara yanto akirio kinyendethia na nyomusha kithakano ndecha kwethire kurira metho kirinteria nyingi aja nthigurune thineje yonthenio yumanito ntuba kwithira kwa miaka 20 ithiri nthiguru ya Kenya itarara yagetia mbura kairi kwa season ithano muthingatanio.
2.5 million wildlife are affected, and we are working closely with the department in charge of wildlife.
Between September last year and up to date, the government has spent about 1.4 billion in terms of on-site slaughter, where farmers sell the animals to the government through KMC. Animals are slaughtered, given to the farmers, as well as the money.
Mnaku kumane nontubo thirikari Kenya riuganije ni nagishokio.
The interventions that we have include food relief, we have water tracking, we have nutrition, treatment for nutrition, provision of livestock feeds, and also even cash transfers.
Ntomwa kiri ogona gona munyaka ja kwethurina bi motorirene no rito mbere thirikari thuri kinyiro teithio bwayo ukareka motori okwethirwa kinyaririka kana nyago kwimpara no tigarite thane kithanda chuburiene gwaku ke reporter anto Shero TV kuma ja kengina ngine kisopa ke Nairobi mbeta Bonfils Ngera.